I remember it was against Italy was my first cap, and I was sitting on the bench and it was cold, it was out in Ashburn, and I had like a ream of all the moves written on my hand, and I was so nervous. I could nearly like taste my heartbeat. And we got a scrum in our own half, and the move was essentially doing something fancy, but then it give the ball to Ali Miller. That's what was meant to happen, but I think the Italians knew how dangerous she was. So when I got the ball and was meant to pass to her, it was kind of like the Red Sea part. They were like, oh, she's not a danger to mark the Laois woman out wide. And so I ran through the gap. There's still a bit to go. And normally here when you make a break, your teammates are like, oh, I'm flat left, or you can hit me deep, or drift right. And all I could hear was Malloy in the distance a little bit. You're on your own horse. We managed to cross the whitewash, get a try on my debut, and get like all of my teammates piled on top of me, and it was underneath the rubble of that. It was like, oh, like do this for as long as you can, because it's one of the best feelings in the world.